Speaking to the media, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today said security has been beefed up in all the districts of the state following intelligence input by the state government. While referring to yesterday's Tura incident, the Chief Minister said the state has received all information, but he would not divulge them to the media. He also said that it would be improper on his part to name the militant organization involved in the Tura incident yesterday.
That's the reason why the overall intelligence and checks and operations being conducted in every district have increased, and that is why yesterday also there was this incident that took place in Tura. So we are very much aware of it. To specifically mention any group would not be appropriate right now without proper intel on it. But yes, the movements are taking place. Information is there with us regarding all these aspects, but I would not want to name any organization as such right now at this point.